Today I'll be talking about JennAir's 48-inch Rise Pro range. Now, one of my favorite things about this range is the design. Throughout the range, you're going to see mixed metals, which is very beautiful. You see the knobs here have brass collars, and they're also illuminated by LED lights in the back for a beautiful look. Now you have these robust, traditional pro style handles with JennAir's signature diamond etching. Really inviting, makes you want to grab and pull it open. One of the best features about this range as well is the two ovens. In the larger oven, you have two dual fans that rotate clockwise that help with even cooking and beautiful browning. Two glide racks, flat tines on each one. You can put large turkeys in here, hold heavy weight, very smooth and easy for the cooking process. And also, during the holidays, if you need more space, you have an 18-inch oven here with one convection fan, and also flat tines. So one of my favorite features is the chrome-infused griddle. Now this griddle is going to stay looking brand new. It's very easy to clean. It won't patina, and it won't look dirty over time. You don't have to do any type of seasoning process. It's ready to go. Cook on, just turn on the heat, add some oil and get it going. So you have your two 18,000 burners in the back and your one 9,000 BTU simmer burner here. Now all these burners are dual stacked, so you can get real high heat sears and also a very low and even simmer on each burner without having to switch to the simmer burner. One of my favorite features, which is unique to JennAir, is the geometric grates. It includes these bridges, so you can slide pots easily to the back without too much effort. Everything's simple and easy, and JennAir makes the cooking process a lot easier.